Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing, review, and setup of my new Peaprit 1080 HD projector. It also does support 4K, but there's something special about this one. This one actually has 11,000 games built into it, so let's go ahead and check it out. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review. So let's see what we got. Awesome controller for it. Power cable and accessories. All right, and then the actual projector itself. Very nice. Check that out. Two USB ports, the HDMI, and then some auxiliary right here. And then here's the accessories that actually come in the bag. It's the power cable, the remote for the projector. This one's for the gaming side of it. This should have all the games built in. So like I said, it comes with over 11,000 games. So let's go ahead and set it up, see how it looks. I do know it goes all the way to a 100-inch display, so that's super exciting. And I can't wait to test out some of the games on here. We'll hook up my iPhone to it, see how that looks, put on some movies. So let's go ahead and hook it up. All right, guys, so I went ahead and hooked it up. Look how good that picture looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of show you some of the applications that it comes with. We'll hook up my phone, but man, I was just kind of browsing through and it has like all the features that you normally would get like on a streaming device, which you can still plug in one into the HDMI, but let's just check it out. So it has a full Google Play Store built in. So we'll go ahead and go to that real quick. So just sign in and you'll have access to all of your Google Play apps. And then if we go back, you can load YouTube right off of here. All right, so I just picked one off of YouTube. I did pick the 4K version, but look how good this video looks. Really nice picture quality. And what I love is like all these apps already came built into it, so I thought that was really nice. This Aptoid TV, I believe is what it's called. It's got a bunch of other apps on here. You got TikTok for TV, Access Chrome right on the projector, which I thought was super neat. Amazon Prime Video, like every single application was right on here. Downloader app, get different apps that you normally wouldn't have access to. All right, and here I did hook up my iPhone directly through the HDMI. I do have an HDMI to Lightning adapter, so as you can see, it looks just as good from my phone to the projector. I'm gonna go ahead and cast Peacock, the application, from here, and then I'll just go ahead and play something I would typically watch on this projector. So I'll play like some wrestling, and as you can see, I'm casting it directly from my iPhone, and look at that picture quality. Looks really, really good. This can be great for watching any kind of sports or movies. Can definitely be a game changer for game and movie night. And the last thing I needed to try it on the projector was some of the built-in games. So here I am playing Pac-Man. As you can see, really good picture quality on that game. All right, guys, so there you have it on the projector. Super awesome, built-in apps, built-in games, can support 4K. Like I was able to pair it to my iPhone, or if you have an Android, works just as well. Like I said, I like that it had that Google Play Store. So if you're looking for a new projector, definitely look into this one. Highly recommend. I'm gonna leave that link down below. 10 out of 10.